4 times 4 gives us 16. And here again we have 4 times 4, which equals 16. So 16 divided by 16 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, not this multiplication. We have to work from left to right. Okay? So first this multiplication, 4 times 4 gives us 16. So 16 divided by 4, then times 4. Now we have to do this division, not this multiplication. 16 divided by 4 gives us just 4. So 4 times 4, which gives us 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.